Good morning, I'm Delia Dashwood from A Few Grey Hairs. I'd like to demonstrate this little horseshoe clip-in topper, and it's something that we make at A Few Grey Hairs, and I'd like to show you how easy and the effect that it has on the hair. As you can see, this is all my own hair, but it's just not thick enough, and I found wearing the clip-ins and the tape extensions just that much more maintenance on a day-to-day basis. So I found this really works well because it gives a little bit of height around the top. So let me show you how that works. What you do is with your fingers you draw the horseshoe shape on your head and separate the top from the back, trying to keep that quite neat so that you don't have any hair to be caught in these little clips. And then what you do is you flick it over with the back center, which you clip in, and then you work your way around, coming forward, trying to attach it as close to the actual parting as is possible. And then you release the top hair, which covers over. And just like that, it's very comfortable, it's very lightweight. It gives you a little bit more fullness around the top section of the head. It obviously gives you more hair around the whole hairstyle. And it's very easy to wear up in a pony or any hairstyle really. So if you're interested, if you have some hair of your own at home that you'd like us to use, or if you'd like to come through and have a consultation, you're most welcome. Thanks for watching.